Here he's removing the brake. Now he's going to turn the little lever. There, he turned the little lever. All right? Just move this module right over here. That's it. And now that it's removed, you can slowly release the little lever. There you go. Now, he is going to carefully take out the entire assembly from the unit. I hope I end up with the fish there, right? Released it, bring the assembly. Try to pull it. Now turn the filter inside the cup.
That is not the pre-filter.
That's it. All right? Okay. So that's how you remove the filter. Now, Chuma, lift the filter. Just the filter. Guys, don't forget about this O-ring. It needs to be replaced. Open the filter. And inside here, you can remove the filter. And inside here, look, you have this support, which is the next part. This support, you have this spring. You can't put the support and the spring together. So it's the spring. Is there anything else inside? Isn't there a circlip to hold the pin inside? There is a circlip. So how do you assemble it? First, you begin by inserting the spring. Then you add the support, followed by the final filter component. And the filter. This filter needs to be moving freely. It can be reused. Do you have that little ultrasonic machine here?
And here there would be a...
There's an O-ring here as well. There's an O-ring on the lid on the inside part. Do you have that ultrasonic cleaner?
No.
Right, it can be cleaned with ultrasound. There's a tool here that you can make. It's a pin, closed at the top and closed at the bottom. It's full of holes. So you can blow air through it from the inside out. I'll send you the drawing so you can make it. But you can reuse this filter. Do you guys replace your filter?
Yes.
But it can be used. It's allowed to use it, okay? He remembered something here at the back, here on the pin. It's missing. There's a seal back here, okay? It's missing here, all right? Now put it together here, Chuma. Put the filter here assembled. All right? Here, look, you have an O-ring here on the cap, but it's not here. This is the O-ring that needs to be replaced. So when you go to install it, you fit it in, then you'll see if the O-ring gets scraped and you'll give it a quarter turn. We check during installation. You see? The oil comes from the outside, passes through the mesh, and goes back down. Where does it go then? It goes through the gallery to lubricate, comes out through this tube to go to G1, G2, and G3. See? That's everything. Internal galleries. See? You know this. The cup, the pin goes into the cup. But here at the base, there's an O-ring that's not here. But there's a seal here, right? So it doesn't leak. The pin goes into the cup. Go ahead, Chuma. Pin in the cup with the seal at the base. You have to install the seal here, then you turn the cup. Once you've turned the cup, what goes in now? The spring. The spring has a guide inside. See? Look, there's a guide inside. Take the spring and put it in. And the base of the spring goes in to support the filter. This is a mandatory replacement, okay? There you go. The filter, put the filter in, and don't forget the filter's O-ring, okay? This O-ring is also a mandatory replacement. Then you bring this assembly and turn it over here. Turn it over exactly the way he's doing it. Support it. Now screw the pin into the center. Screw it in slowly. It's missing the base O-ring, but it needs to have an O-ring at the base. Then tighten it until it touches. Tighten it. There you go. Go slowly, go slowly. Is it touching?
No.
It will touch. It's touching. Give it a quarter turn and tighten it. Do a leak test. Okay, all set. All right?